all you colorful sprinkles. We're at a new location this week, the Cobblestone Cottage, and this is going to be one stop on our 6-stop trip. And this one, of course, is going to be the Cobblestone Cottage, our stop number 2. It's 2 minutes away from the last one, the schoolhouse, but let's roll the intro and take a look inside.
Step right up, it's the Willow Show. Pack your bags, we're on the go. To the antique malls or faraway places, roadside attractions and unusual spaces. With friends along, we share the ride. Join in on the fun, comment, like, and subscribe. You never know where we'll end up or where we'll go, but it's time to find out and start the show.
Last week's adventure was awesome. We got to go see the old schoolhouse just a few blocks over from this location. Now, I've never been here before, and first walking in, I definitely noticed gift shop vibes, so it made me a little nervous, but upon walking a little further into the building, I realized, oh, this place was going to be awesome. My first thing I noticed was that Murano glass clown, and I had to have it. It's coming home with me. But surprise,
asshole.
Turned out it wasn't Murano. It was actually from Venezuela. So look closely at the stickers when you pick them up. But either way, I'm really happy with it because it's cool looking. So let's keep walking through and see what else we can find in here. I was looking at this goofy piggy bank when I noticed over next to this booth was this awesome shelf full of cool 90s nostalgia. It had the little Furby keychains, had a lot of Pokemon stuff in there. If you look closely, you can see those are like the old McDonald's Furbies. And then some Neopets. They used to sell these at Limited too. That's pretty cool. And Meow-Chi, which I'm going to take home because I love Meow-Chi. I'm collecting Poochie. I have one of those. And I want to get the bird chi as well. There also appears to be a staircase, but we'll take that in a second after we go through the rest of these booths. What is this goofy guy? Oh, I love how goofy it looked. Then there were a lot of shelves that were empty, but I did see in one of them this really cool clown ashtray. I don't smoke, but it's a cool clown and I want to take it home. They had a lot of great decorating stuff inside each of these booths. Every single one of these booth owners had some really cool stuff in there. And here's some classic action figures. And a little Christmas pig. It looks like a pig with antlers. That's kind of interesting. Let's keep going down this way. I didn't realize how big this building was at first. You don't really notice it when you're walking in the front door, but this place is huge. Over here they have a whole bunch of vinyls. I didn't really stop and look through them, but I probably will next time I'm in town because I'm still looking for Miles Davis Sketches of Spain, but I was flipping through these posters. It was really neat to see some of these. I'm assuming these are reprints, not originals, or they would be a lot more, but these are really cool. And look at this, the new Bigfoot diet. I figured just Bigfoot ate whatever he wanted. Maybe some fish in the woods or something? I don't know. This building goes on forever, and there's so many awesome booths to look at. Definitely make a stop here if you're ever in Hixton. Don't forget to stop at the schoolhouse and the other locations we're going on this trip. Oh, and if you're not already, make sure you hit the subscribe button. That way you get notified as we upload the rest of this series. Finally, let's head upstairs and see what's up here. And check this out, a special guest appearance from the California Raisins and some Mighty Morphin Power Rangers Series 2 cards. I haven't seen those in a long time. Just look at this. This is one row of vendors. There's so many little booths to check out, these little alcoves. You never know what you're gonna find, and everyone's got something cool in their booth. I would love to come back to this place. Hit the like button if you think I should come back here, because I definitely think I should. I see so many things that I didn't get this time, but I'm definitely gonna get next time I'm in town because they're just so cool. Here's a cool little picture. It looks like Marilyn Monroe might be in the window there. Here's a cool little view from inside this 100-year-old barn. If you're a car fan, they might have your dream car in this shelf here. Look at all these different cars they have. I could sure go for a caramel candy avalanche. That looks really good. I like how they turned these purple ladders and planks into shelves. That's really creative, and it's a great way to display some products on their booth. Now that we've seen the top floor of this store here, I think it's time to head downstairs and check out because I got so many cool things here. I got the clown, I got the ashtray clown, and I got the Meow-Chi, which is awesome. I didn't expect to find anything really at this trip, and we found so many cool things. Cobblestone Cottage was an interesting place in this 100-year-old barn. What a cool place in the middle of almost nowhere. All these awesome stores are just a few minutes away from each other. Artie even found this cool log with a chair painted on it. It's really neat looking. He's gonna take that home. There's so many great things in this awesome store. Cobblestone Cottage is awesome. Stop there if you're in town. Definitely make the trip out there, but we need to grab some lunch real quick, and then we're gonna head on over to our next location, the Village Peddler. That's where we're going next week, so make sure you're here for it, and we'll see you next time.